Hi, this is Prak with iRepair MD and Digital Life. We've been getting a lot of questions on our YouTube and our website, and I'd like to answer some of these. And we'll go ahead and start with the question.
We bought a Hoverboard 360 and it never worked. We replaced the logic board and it will power up, but it won't go anywhere. When you power it up, the lights both come on and then go off. And then when you put pressure on the pressure plates, the lights come back on, but it doesn't do anything.
What you have there, you might have bought a incompatible logic board. The logic board that you bought might not be paired with the right wheels, or it could be that your motor has gone bad. In this situation, you already replaced the logic board, so what I would recommend is just ship the board to us, let us give you a diagnostic, and we'll give you a price before we actually complete the repair. And so I don't think you can take this repair on yourself. Just send it over to us. Click the link below and with the order form.
I would love to know why one side no longer works. The LED on that side remains on when powered on, but other than that, nothing. It is a side opposite to the battery. If anyone reading this has this problem and have found a solution, please reply.
All right, so the opposite side, okay, the power switch right here is on the logic board side, and what you're telling me is that when you press down on it, you don't see this blue light. That is a simple fix. All you really need is a new balance sensor, and you can click on the link below. This should fix the problem.
So I got my hoverboard yesterday and now it won't turn off. When I go press the power button, it beeps and nothing happens. The battery light is always on. After a couple of hours, the light turned red. I put it to charge and now it won't stop beeping. I opened the board, disconnected the battery, but it still keeps beeping.
There could be a few issues, okay? The simplest fix would have to be the power button, and with a power button that goes to the logic board, it could be the trip in the logic board. You might need a new logic board, but you also mentioned that when you unplug the battery, it did the same thing. So it's possible that the battery is actually not holding its charge. And with this issue right here, I mean, you can take a risk by trying to repair by replacing the power button. It might be a 70% chance of getting it fixed, but if you want to be 100% sure, I probably would recommend you contact us and try to send it to us. We'll give you an estimate, because it sounds like it might be a few things. Could be the battery or the logic board. We don't really know. But try to replace the power button yourself, and it doesn't work, send it to us.
My hoverboard is nearly dying. When I charge my hoverboard, the charger light is still green and didn't turn red. How do I fix this problem so I can charge my hoverboard?
Okay, yours is simply a battery issue. Your battery, maybe when the board got to you, it was in cold storage. These are lithium-ion batteries, Samsung cell. And what's possible is if the battery drains to completely zero and it stays in dormant state, it won't recover from it. You're going to need a brand new battery. A battery is like a muscle. If you don't flex it, if you don't charge it off and on and discharge it, it will go bad. So it sounds like a simple battery replacement. We do sell batteries. We sell LG and Samsung.
The balance light on my hoverboard is blinking red in a series of 5 blinks. I've tried to recalibrate it and it's not working. The red light on the circuit board is also blinking red.
Okay, you have a bad logic board. Your logic board right now it's on it's called a brick mode. You probably did a wrong calibration, and there's a chip in here that needs to be completely drained. But the only way to do that is to actually unplug it for almost 1 or 2 months until it completely drained out of the capacitor. That might fix the issue, but most likely send it to us or buy a new logic board, and that should fix the problem.
Charged my hoverboard for 2 hours, and after I unplugged it, the right side of the board was warm. Is there a problem with it?
It sounds like your battery is actually leaking. You might need a new replacement battery. That could be a fire hazard. So I would not use that board. You know, I would dispose of the battery. I would buy a new battery, but you know, to be safe, ship the whole board to us. We'll look at it for you. We can make it safe. But I wouldn't use that board anymore, because if charging it and it causes the board to heat up, it's a fire hazard.
What is the difference between the red balance sensor and the blue balance sensor?
The red balance sensor is they're made. These are high quality right here. They are secondary The components are similar, but they're made by a different manufacturer. The blue are more premium. They're treated to be moisture resistant. They have the two model are almost comparable. The blue one is more durable. The red one you should get 1 or 2 years out of it. The blue one you should get up to 5 years out of it. That's about longevity. But both are good boards.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit us at digitallifex.com.